Ever wondered how some people just seem to have that magic touch when it comes to making friends? The type, they walk into a room and suddenly everyone's laughing and feeling, well, it's not magic, and it's not about looks or even being super outgoing, it's about psychology. We're revealing 5 psychological hacks that can make anyone like you. Get ready to take some notes because trust me, these are good. Our first hack is all about body language. Now before you go grabbing a compact mirror, listen up. Mirroring is simply subtly reflecting the other person's posture, gestures, even their facial expressions. If they lean in, you lean in. If they cross their legs, well, you get the idea. It feels natural to them because it's like looking in a mirror, and that creates a sense of connection. Remember that old song, Say My Name, Say My Name? Well, it turns out there's a reason it was so catchy. Hearing our name is like music to our ears. Seriously, it lights up the pleasure centers in our brain. So sprinkle that magic liberally in your conversations. Not in a creepy way, of course, just casually address them by name now and then, and watch how quickly you become their favorite person in the room. Chapter 3. This one's all about being not just the kind who pretends to listen while mentally planning their grocery list. Genuine, engaged listening. Ask questions, and really listen to the answers. People love to talk about themselves, present company included, so indulge them. And here's a little secret. The more you listen, the more interesting they'll actually find you. It's true. Chapter 4. Everybody loves a compliment, but the key here is sincerity. Something you genuinely appreciate about the person, their sense of humor, their style, their mad tic-tac-toe skills, and let them know. A well-placed compliment can brighten someone's entire day, and they'll associate that good feeling with you. Plus, it's just good karma. Chapter 5. This last hack is about building trust and intimacy. Now, I'm not saying to spill your deepest, darkest secrets to someone you just met. Sharing a little something personal, a funny story, a fear, a dream, can make you more relatable and create a sense of closeness. It shows you're human, you're vulnerable, and that you trust them with a piece of yourself. Outro. So there you have it, 5 psychological hacks to win hearts and make friends wherever you go. Remember, these hacks are all about being genuine and kind. People can spot a phony a mile away, so make sure your actions come from a good place. Try these hacks out and watch your social circle grow. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tips. Bye-bye.